Let's make soft and juicy raspberry banana cake in air fryer. Let's mash the bananas. This is our baking soda, and let's add the vinegar inside. Let's add some sugar. Boom. Melted butter. Mix. Mix everything again. Salt. Mix, mix, mix. Here is our baking soda combined with vinegar. Mix more. I'm gonna pour everything into the bigger bowl with a flour. All right. Let's add our raspberries. Ooh. Okay, this is ready. Let's see. All right. Let's pour everything inside. Looks good. Bake mode, 30 minutes. Just start. It's baking for almost 19 minutes, and I think it's time to flip our cake. So it's like this. So I use this as a measurement. A little bit more. We like this and cut a little more. Okay. And not to have this perfectly cut, but cut perfectly well. And this time we made it perfectly. 1, 2, 3. Oba! Okay. It's nice. I'm going to increase the time for 20 minutes. 20 more minutes and the cake will be ready. Okay, wow, it looks perfect. Our raspberry banana cake is ready. It looks great and nice. Wow. Yeah, everything is properly baked, as you can see. And it smells so nice and delicious. I'm gonna try a bite. Wow, look. It's ready. This delicious cake can go perfectly with Greek yogurt, maple syrup, honey, or any type of jam you have. Of course, there is a difference between baking in the oven and baking in the air fryer. Thank you everyone for watching the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, press the like button, and leave your comment below. Your support means a lot. See you on the next one.